In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube caption loading error. Let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. YouTube loads captions separately from the video, so weak or unstable connection can prevent subtitles from appearing. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if you're using a home network. Next up, launch your YouTube app and force close it and relaunch it. This might resolve the issue. Make sure you are using the latest version of YouTube app. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes prevent captions from loading correctly. Next thing you want to do is launch YouTube and navigate to any of the video. Tap the CC button, disable subtitles, wait a few seconds and enable them again. You can also switch to another available caption language if video offers multiple subtitle tracks. Another helpful step is clearing the app cache or the browser cache and cookies if you're using YouTube in the web. Next up, sign out of your YouTube account and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and can resolve temporary synchronization problems affecting captions. Finally, keep in mind that every video includes subtitles and sometimes automatically generated captions may be temporarily unavailable while YouTube processes the video. If captions work on other videos but not on one specific video, the issue is likely with that video's caption track rather than your device. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.